I took a songwriting course, a short songwriting course, yesterday afternoon.
Only write short songs?
I want to write short songs. And, but Don was so good, he sent me off to my campsite fired up with inspiration to come up with a song to do tonight. So humbly submit this, very humbly submit this. One weekend I was out jamming at Kenny Grove up Fillmore Way, and the moon was as bright as a reading light for an email from an old friend back home. He said, now why do you drive all that distance, and why do you sleep on the ground? Gotta wait in line to pee and you're missing TV. Well, it was a short... Since I got time left, I would like to now lead a rousing sing-along. Something. Oh, Grandfather's Clock. Yeah, please, everybody sing along. I know everybody knows this.
That was very good.
Grandfather's clock was too large for the shelf, so it stood 90 years on the floor. It was taller by half than the old man himself, though it weighed not a penny's weight more. It was bought on the morn of the day that he was born. It was always his pleasure and pride. But it stopped short, never to go again when the old man died. Watching its pendulum swing to and fro, many hours he had spent as a boy. And in childhood and manhood the clock seemed to know, and to share both his grief and his joy. And it... yeah. Somebody help me! And it... Hands never stood by its side. Would stop short, never to go again when the old man died. Grandfather said, of those he could hire, not a servant so faithful he found. For it wasted no time, had but one desire, at the close of each week to be wound. And it kept to its place, not a frown upon his face, and its hands never hung by its side. But it stopped short, never to go again when the old man died. 90 years without song. Tick-tock, his life seconds long. Tick-tock, tick-tock, stop short, never to go again when the old man died. Not rang an alarm in the midst of the night, an alarm that for years had been done. And we knew that his spirit was blooming for flight, that his hour of departure had come. Still the clock kept the time with a soft and muffled chime, and as we silently stood by his side, but it stopped short, never to go again when the old man died.